Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos with chapati. Start by warming chapati in a skillet until pliable, then layer protein, fresh veg, and sauce. Use quick-cook proteins like shredded chicken, spiced beans, or crumbled paneer for texture and flavor. Add crunchy elements such as sliced cabbage, pickled onions, and a squeeze of lime. Finish with a drizzle of yogurt or hot sauce and serve immediately for best taste. Collect your ingredients before you start to keep assembly smooth and stress-free. Warm chapati, cooked protein, chopped veggies, pickles, and a simple sauce like yogurt mixed with chili powder all work great. Prep toppings in small bowls so family members can customize their tacos. Keep lemon or lime wedges handy for a bright finish. This setup makes cooking social and lets everyone assemble exactly what they want. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like to keep recipes coming. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh after taco runs and to make every grocery trip pleasant. It pairs humorously with savory aromas and late-night taco runs when you want a crisp scent in the car. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Assemble tacos efficiently by creating a small assembly line with warm chapati at one end. Spread sauce lightly, add a generous but not overloaded scoop of protein, then top with fresh crunch and herbs. Avoid piling too high so the chapati holds together when folded. Serve with extra sauce and lime on the side so each person can adjust heat and acidity. Enjoy casual, flavorful tacos that come together in minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.